Let's create one more tutorial in NX from Siemens. In this tutorial, you'll learn to use Revolve, Shell, Mirror, Unite, and Extrude. So open the NX and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and make this sketch. And in the center of this Pokeball will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create a line here with 13 millimeters and create a line here, a vertical line with 14 millimeters. Then we will create an arc here with 40 millimeters and an arc here with 13 millimeters and a line between these two arcs. Okay, so open the NX and go to sketch, select the right plane, and here select line, click here on this point, make a line here with 14 millimeters and create another line here with 13 millimeters. Let me put the dimensions here, 14 millimeters. And now go to arc and select the arc from center. Click here in the midpoint and click here in this point, make an arc here. Click here in the midpoint and click here in this point, make an arc here. And now select the line again, make a line between these 2 points. And make sure that this line here is a horizontal line. So select this line and select horizontal. And now select this line again and select this line. The distance between these two lines is 1 millimeters because we're using the half here. So the distance here is 1 millimeters. We made this one. And now finish the sketch. And go to Revolve. The profile, this one, and the axis. Select this line here. And press OK. You can hide the sketch one. We made this one, okay? And now we will make this cut here. So to create this cut, we'll go to sketch and select the right plane again and press OK. And here, this cut has 4.5 millimeters of radius. So to create this, we use the Revolve features. So go to arc, select the arc from center, click here in the midpoint. The distance here is 30 millimeters. And make an arc here. And now select a line. Make a line here. And this line here, it will be the radius of the circle. So the distance here is 4.5 millimeters. And the distance here, we can use 3 millimeters just to make a cut. Okay? And now finish the sketch. Go to Revolve. The vector, the axis here, select this line. And the output, the boolean here, select subtract. And press OK. You can hide this sketch. And now the thickness of this body is 0.5 millimeters. So we will shell this body. So go to shell and change here the shell to open. Okay. And here we will select the face that we want to remove. The face is the bottom face. And the thickness 0.5 millimeters. And press OK. Let me make a view here. And now we will mirror this body. So go to mirror features, the features, select the to revolve and the shell features. The plane, you can select the bottom face here or the top plane and press OK. And now go to unite to combine these two body. Select the body 1 and the body 2 here and press OK. And now we will make the first button here. This button has 6 millimeters of diameter and 0.5 millimeters of thickness. So go to sketch and select the right plane. We use the revolve to create this button, okay? And here, go to arc from center, click here on the midpoint. The radius here is 13 millimeters. Press OK. Make an arc here and select line. Make a line here. And here will be the radius. The radius is 3 millimeters. And the thickness here is 0.5. Press OK. Finish the sketch and go to revolve. The axis, select this line here. The output, select unite and press OK. You can hide this sketch a little bit. We made this one. Okay. And now we will create the last button here. This button has 4 millimeters of diameter and the thickness 0.5. So go to sketch and select this face here to create a sketch. And here select the circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle here with 4 millimeters of diameter and press OK. And finish the sketch. Go to extrude, the distance 0.5 millimeters and press OK. So that's it. Here we finish your exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.